Asta, Mommy bought you some nice little treats. Do you want them? Do you want it? You do? Okay, which one? Pick it. Get one. Pick it up. Here, here. Up. Take one. Is that the one you want? Ah, good girl. Good girl. Let me see. I'm not going to take it from you. Is that good girl? Huh? Oh, we like that, huh? Yeah, we like that. Good girl. Let me see. Can I see it? Let me see. You're not going to give it to me? Hmm? You're not going to give it to me? Asta, look. Look, Asta. No, we're not going to give it to Mommy, are we? They're good. Okay, okay. I'll leave you alone. That good? Asta.